Today we're at Manic Machining's house. We're going to be making a handbrake bracket for my ZX6R Ninja and also for the giveaway bike that you guys can win. We're gonna be making a handbrake bracket out of a big piece of aluminum. I tried to do like a fancy intro for this, but with this big machine in his garage, it's very hard to get good audio. The audio is gonna suck in this video. The audio is gonna suck in this video because we're in a garage and it's a big ass machine to make stunt parts.
You probably got more radio.
If you dislike this video for the audio, then you're not ready for all this gnar. Back out now. We're gonna be giving away a handbrake bracket in today's video for a Grom. They come in two different versions. You have a normal rotor and then you also have a big rotor kit, which is the front rotor off a Grom. So all you guys have to do to win this handbrake bracket is this comment giveaway with something else, and go ahead and follow my mama. Go ahead and follow Manic Machining on Instagram. Let them know Dank sent you, and grab yourself a Grom handbrake bracket. Even if you don't win, they're super cheap and super solid. This thing is beautiful CNC aluminum. So we're halfway through getting it cut. We just need to get the fixture right. Op 2 phase 2 is doing what?
Well, we're making a fixture now, so
The fixture will hold
that, so we can bolt it to it. Pretty much gives us a plate to support it, so we can cut out the opposite side and get all that excess metal off there.
Nice.
And that'll be pretty much the finished shape. So that'll be the show side and all the fancy pockets.
But look at our setup. We got the GoPro, some duct tape.
Yeah, we're out here. We're trying.
Out here. He said, "Can I cut this? Can I cut this?"
There you go.
My man, crazy. Oh, all right. So look at this.
Yeah, you can see
Hitting
right
switches. That's nice. I wish we would have had footage of the first machine you used. Remember that old thing?
Yeah, dude, the Bridgeport.
It was a Bridgeport?
I had a retrofitted Bridgeport. Backwood someone made it, system.
Yeah.
Figured out how it worked, and yeah, we made the DRZ bracket.
It's just funny because like the way that this machine is just pulling the tools out like that, he had to manually like go with a freaking wrench and crank them all out by hand.
Yeah.
So what he's doing is he's drilling holes into this fixture where like the calipers and stuff would usually go, right?
Yeah.
Alright, now we're putting the threads in. More threads. That cuts the bracket crooked. Oh yeah.
There you go.
There it is. Spit it at you. Done with the fixture. Chunks. Ooh.
Non-OSHA shit.
It's a little secret. So basically the fixture is the total opposite shape of the actual handbrake bracket, so that way they can sandwich together. Now we're putting that in?
Yeah, let's see if we have to, may have to cut more off to make it fit. But
No better way to try than just... You programmed all this so far and now it's just a little bit off, so you're gonna manually trim it yourself?
Well, it's not that it's off, it's that if you want something to fit into it, it can't be exactly the same size. Right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna lie to the cutter, we're gonna lie about the cutter size and tell it that it's smaller so it cuts more.
And this is the face of the bracket that's actually gonna be showing on the bike. By the way, Happy New Year's, and what was your guys' New Year's resolution? Comment, let me know. I don't know about resolutions, but one of my goals was to make stunt parts. So we're doing it the first day of New Year's.
Yeah. Oh, the throwback.
Bag full.
This is attempt number 4 or 5.
At least we're honest. Transparency.
There we go.
Yeah, but it's not all the way sturdy. We got to put the bolts in, and then, guys, this is the climax of the video. We finally get to see the bracket almost done. I'm stoked. We've been here all day grinding it out.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna run it back just a little bit and show you guys the back end, because just like stunt riding, the worst part, which is editing. I hate editing. I love riding, but every job super sick like this has some kind of backside to it, and we're gonna go back to the computer. Before you can do any kind of cutting, you have to teach these computers how to make these parts, and that's exactly what we're gonna do.
Can I do it too?
That's It's like every time it switches to a different bit.
Yeah.
Are you making this for me?
Maybe.
If you do wheelies.
I don't know how.
So in summary, a lot of boring computer work goes into the design of it
Oh yeah.
before you can actually get to the metal sling. It becomes less boring the more that you succeed turning the designs into actual creations that work. Almost done.
You know what this is, don't you, Mike?
I don't want to talk about it. Showtime, people. We got the fixture made. Now we got the bracket over top. This is the front face of it, so completely raw aluminum right here. It's about to get shredded and make a beautiful bracket, or a big fail. But if everything goes right, we'll have 2 brackets. If everything goes wrong, we'll have no brackets and a fixture.
Yeah.
Op 2, commence the shred. Is that the new MacBook?
No. Monochrome.
All systems go. We got the tripod set. Let's get it. Time to cut, baby. She's already squirting heavy. Showing off. Speeding it.
Oh, dude, you killed it.
Dang. Wow. Close. It's looking hella good. There's like some parts when it's like cutting super deep and I forget how thick the aluminum is. It's scaring the shit out of me, like we messed up. Because you get stuck staring at this all damn night. I need to build a bunch of stunt bikes so we have reasons to make a bunch of brackets. More stunt bikes for 2020. So as this thing cuts, just going down the axis. Pretty much thumbs up, CNC. Almost finished product. Just gotta put some holes. Hey, where's your drill at? We can do it the quick way.
No! God, please, no!
Do it by hand. Yeah. Do it the old-fashioned way. Getting really excited, people. Everything's green. Everywhere you look, everywhere. Pretty satisfying. The bracket is done. Now we gotta take it apart. Oh, dude. Good. My God. I think it's beautiful. So we're gonna do just a little swing arm block next. Not now, but probably another video. And then this thing's pretty much done. Actually, I think we're missing something.
You want that?
Yeah. Final process, people. My man Zach's been waiting to fire this puppy up. His setup right here is super sick. I was checking it out while Jake was doing some machining, but he's got the 3D printer right here and a lot of stuff that is on here, all these different colored things, is little bits and pieces that he made to kind of help out with the machine, like a little feeder and stuff like that. But I was getting really hooked on it. I kind of want to get a 3D printer myself and try it out. This is the Grom bracket. He made a fixture for it so we can go ahead and set them in there and get them engraved nice and even. It's a nice little setup. We took a couple weeks taking our time getting it all designed, and then we still got to try it out, but it looks pretty damn promising. What do you guys think of it? So this thing's pretty cool because not only do you do engraving, which is like piercing into the metal, but this machine lets you do different thicknesses, or what would you say?
Depths,
Yeah.
edges, man.
Yeah, you get different depths and all that.
Nails and rotary cups, man. Can be pretty wild stuff.
And then this one is your depth and your speed chart, I believe, right?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yep, yep.
Tells you all different like colors that it's gonna make. through all the depths and speeds you're running.
This one, you can see it, but it rubs off super easy, you know?
Oh yeah.
But this one doesn't rub off.
Does it let you, oh yeah, I was gonna say, that's so sick.
Trying to get a little bit on your side.
Wow.
Let's see what we got going on.
That'd be a gangster intro.
Alright, now it's just gonna do it 5 times.
Oh yeah. I say we're done, boys.
That's a wrap.
Yes. Out here at the Manic Machining, getting the job done, people. One day, we got her done. Now, we gotta test it with some wheelies. Yeah, exactly.
All about that one.
Alright, so that's gonna wrap up tonight's video, guys. Remember, we're giving away this ground bracket right here. All you gotta do is comment giveaway. Big shout out to Manic Machining and my boy Zach here. Nice little setup in the garage, people making it happen.